Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the collections page to search the Montana Memory Project. The Montana Memory Project has undergone some changes so that it can be better utilized on phones and tablets. We have added a new page called Collections to help produce better search results. On the home page, you can type in a search term and every item on the MMP will be searched for this term. The term will be searched in the metadata for the item as well as the searchable text of the item itself if it is available. This type of search may turn up a larger list than expected or needed. For example, if I type in the term Livingston, I will get back a large list consisting of 1,634 items. The list includes every item with the term either in the metadata or the searchable text of the document. The left side of this page does offer the ability to refine the search by the type of collections you're searching, the date, subject, the creator of the content, or the geographic location of the content. In this case, though, starting on the collections page may produce more valuable search results. If I go back to the home page, I have two ways of getting to the new collections page. I can click on collections in the top level menu, or I can click on collections in the left side menu. When the page loads, you'll notice that there is still a top-level search box. Entering the term Livingston in this box will produce the exact same list I got on the home page. On the left side of the page is a second search box. In the center of the page is a list of 10 collections of 148. The left side search box allows you to search for collections. The results will be from just the collection title or the collection description. When I search the term Livingston in the box on the left, the center of the page immediately reveals that there are two collections with either Livingston in the collection description or in the collection title. My search has been immediately reduced to just these two collections. Now if I enter a term in the top level search box, I will be searching only the terms in these two collections. For example, if I search the family name Campbell, I will get back 9 results from the two collections. Clicking on the image will show a full picture, and the name Campbell will be highlighted in the metadata for the item. If I go back to the search results by clicking the back arrow and instead choose a document like one of these high school annuals, the name Campbell is highlighted first in the metadata below, and if I scroll up, it's highlighted right on the page, and it shows me that 3 results were found, and I'm on the first page of these results, page 10 of this particular annual. Hitting the back arrow will take me back to my search results. There are several more options for refining your search on the collections page. Let's examine these. I'm going to go back to the collections page and have you notice that underneath the search for collections box is an alpha sorter. Clicking on a letter of the alphabet will jump you to the page where the first collection beginning with that letter appears. If I click on the letter M, I will be jumped to page 9 in our page sorter at the top. It's highlighted in blue here. And if I scroll down the page, I'll see that the first collection starting with the letter M on this page. The M's continue on page 10 and on page 11. Below the alpha search is also a set of refinements. You can narrow your search by content type or subject. If I click on Documents, the items in the center screen will immediately change to be all documents collections. I can further narrow the selection by clicking additional options. I want just documents related to the subject military. So if I check military now, just military documents show up on the screen. Unchecking a refinement will remove it from the search results. If I uncheck documents, for example, I'll see all documents related to military, including not just documents, but photographs and audio histories that are related to military. It is possible for you to get 0 results back if you narrow your refinement too much. For example, with military checked, if I also check yearbooks, I'm going to get a result of 0. This is because we have no yearbooks related just to military photos. However, if I uncheck military, I will see the first 10 of 22 yearbooks. If these refinements still do not produce the results you hoped, you can also conduct an advanced search. At the at the top level search box, if you click Advanced Search, you'll be taken to the Advanced Search page. Here you can select the collections you'd like to search. You can enter a search term here and then select which fields of the metadata you would like that search term to be looked for in. You can also add additional search terms, and you can choose whether you're going to search this term and this term, or this term or this search term. You can also narrow your search by date. As I said, these changes were made so that the collection or the web page would produce better results for a mobile device such as a phone or a tablet. If you look at it resized on my screen for a phone, the home page stacks on top of itself. So you get the collection navigational tool, the center content, and the bottom of the page content. If I scroll to the top of this page, there is a pancake or a menu selector. If I select that, there is a drop-down for the menu options available. From here, if I click on collections, I will be taken to the collection page. And I see the first 10 results of 148. To get the refinements, I need to click the small magnifying glass, which will open the refinement page. From here, once I make my selections, I need to scroll to the top of the page and click Close to see the list of results. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy searching!